Oh, we're not doing the
No, you just
the intro thing? Oh, I'm so sorry.
Well, that can just be added. I mean, you're talking right now.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
well, welcome back to another episode of These Two Girls podcast with your hosts,
Candy
and Cheyenne. Yeah, we're here again.
All right, we're here.
We're still doing this video thing.
We are.
Okay, we're still doing it.
We're still doing it.
Okay, we're still doing it.
Don't do that.
All right, we'll talk about it later.
Okay.
Yes.
So we're still in the whole summer vibe thing.
Yes.
So I went to the store the other day, Publix. Are we allowed to say that? Because I realized people don't say those things.
I don't know
where they go. Sometimes.
We don't know. We
don't know yet. And I see that they take off the labels off their bottles.
Just put that on the floor.
Yeah.
Or slide it.
Because we're not. Anyway.
We're not advertised. We're not getting paid.
Right. That's what they say. Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah. So we're learning. We're learning.
Your Floyd Mayweather.
Right. We're learning. So we've been paying attention to other people online. So. Anywho, but I think what I'm about to do is like a sponsored thing. Anyway, so I went to Publix and I saw these chips and I was like, chips. I know you're on keto, but I thought it would be kind of cool to try it together.
Okay.
Because the flavors kind of have a summer island thing going on, and it kind of goes with our island girl summer vibe that we kind of put out there already. So we'll start with this one.
Oh. So
this one's by Lay's. It's a limited summer flavor, and it's chili mango.
It's not.
Chili?
Yeah.
Chile?
You remember that joke when everybody, all the white people who were trying to like culturally appropriate were saying Chale. They didn't know it was child when they were like child, and it was like Chale.
Yo,
yeah, but yeah, it's chili. This one's chili, not child.
All right, so we're gonna taste it.
Okay, let me just.
Okay, see if we like it. Hold on, we're gonna do it together. Okay, I thought you were. How does it smell?
It doesn't have a particular smell.
All ready?
All
On
right.
your mark, get set, go.
What was it? Mango? I don't taste any mango. Wait, one more.
I taste like a cheese flavor.
Let me get a small one.
I don't taste the chili or the mango.
Where's the spice?
I don't taste any of those stuff. I don't taste fruity. I don't taste the tang. Do you taste the tang?
I taste artificial flavor. But I don't taste any of the flavors that is
no artificial flavors.
Oh God, no. Mm-mm. All right, next.
All right, let me try one more. That's too big. Nah.
It's
Pass or buy again.
I would not buy that.
Pass.
I'm okay.
For me too. All right.
I don't really even eat chips like that, so it would be a waste of my time.
Somebody at somebody's house will eat this. All right. So I saw this one too. I don't know what happened to the air inside of it, but I know when I bought it, there was air inside, but it hasn't been opened. So this one is wavy jerk chicken. And you know, say.
Open it. Let's go.
You know, say we is it. Yeah, okay. It says bring a little.
You'll be the judge of that.
Bring a little island flavor to your backyard. There's traditional spicy, sweet and smoky jerk flavor in every bag. We going to tell you.
I have no confidence. Not after that mango lime. Mango lime. Why I keep trying to make it mango lime?
Chile. Ciao.
That was more child than chili.
Get set. Go. There was something that hit me when didn't win.
Something hit like jerk chicken.
Is it in the smell? Smell it.
It has a taste. It's something.
There's a jerky thing there.
There's a jerky vibe. It's not spicy, but there's a jerk flavor.
There is.
Huh, one more.
But it's not spicy. But there's a jerk there.
It can go on. You could put that on like a sandwich.
I'm almost, the flavor kind of reminds me of the boar's head turkey.
Yes, that's what I was
From
gonna say. You
Publix.
could put this on a sandwich. Cause I like when I buy my Publix chicken tender sandwich, I like to crush up the barbecue chips on the sandwich.
Okay.
Thank me later.
So this one, would it be a buy again or a pass?
I would try that again.
All right.
Keep that away from me because I'm gonna get those.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah, so buy again.
Okay.
So the way jerk chicken.
That's
Summer
good.
flavors.
All right.
Let me drink some water right quick, Shy. Hopefully
So-
nothing is in my braces. Anything in my braces?
A little bit. On the
Hopefully-
bottom.
maybe they
Are you
can.
gonna?
Maybe you guys can pick it up.
So yeah, this whole video thing is quite an adjustment. So, what did you think when you watched the video? Because you saw it before I did. Because
Right.
you're a part of the editing team now. You know, it used to be me. I used to be editing the audio. Now,
Well, we're roping you back in. We're gonna figure it out.
don't
But
know.
because that editing process, producer, right? It takes a minute, right? So yeah, so I watched it, yes, before you. So the first thing that stood out to me, the first thing was our eyes. Like I felt like we looked either high or sleepy.
Yes, exact sentiments.
I didn't like it. I was like, oh, can we do this again?
And I was wondering, like, is it the angle or whatever of the camera? But I don't know. It didn't feel like if you changed it, it would make a difference. Because it was kind of from a lower angle, and it still looked like my eyes are like this. And then from a higher angle, it would look more like it was closed anyway. So I don't know.
So, I mean, looking right now at this, at the screen, I feel like our eyes look a bit wider. So I'm thinking it was what we were also drinking. So, disclaimer, guys. So we were drinking just a little, but not much. We had a little vodka in our cup.
I didn't even feel it.
But that's the thing, you may not have felt it, but it was visible on our outward appearance. That could have been. So now
you
they're going
say
to tell
so.
the difference.
All right.
Right? So,
Okay.
when they watch it, when I watch it again with the producer too, and our peoples watch it, tell us if we look the same.
Okay.
So I got sleepy. So the last time I was also sleepy. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, you were asleep.
I didn't get my nap. So that's a little combination there.
Did you get your nap today?
I got my nap today.
Okay.
And as they learn more about us, I'm into my naps. Right, Shine?
I'm into your naps too. Because it makes for a smoother anything, really.
Yes.
Okay. What else? Well,
So that was the first thing I noticed. What else? It was interesting seeing myself on camera. There were like different things I didn't like about myself. Like I was like, stretch out your neck a little bit more. There's some parts I was like, you look like you have no neck. There was that, and just little things I was nitpicking about myself. But even with seeing those things, I was like, okay, look at Kenny and Cheyenne posting videos. No?
I don't agree with that feeling. I did not.
So for me, there's something about like when you like just put these things out there, I feel like it has something to do with like confidence for me. Cause like I feel like, well, you can't touch a button, right? Like I don't know. I feel like when I see it, I feel like I'm going after stuff. Like I feel like I'm empowered to do more.
Okay.
When I see myself.
Good for you, girl. Good for you.
All right. Your turn. Tell me your thoughts.
Well, yeah, I was afraid to hit play when you sent it to me because I was like, cringe. I hate to see myself on camera. I don't is not my thing. But you know, I am obliging Candy in her quest for more. Okay.
So you weren't okay. Let me let you talk. I'm gonna let you talk.
So I looked at it and I wasn't, you know, I was like, oh, but you know, I already kind of saw when we were doing it, so I already kind of had an idea, and I really didn't watch the whole thing. I never listened to the whole podcast
Same
because I can't. But I did agree we looked sleepy or on something. Candy, you kept looking at the monitor because we had the screen here that we could see ourselves, and Candy refused to look into the camera. She just kept looking into the monitor, and so it looks, yeah, it can tell that you're looking at something else because you're checking yourself out.
I am. I'm telling you, it's a confidence thing. I'm telling you, no, it's like go when you put yourself on camera.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
So, and then we talked about it, and I wanted it to be more, we talked about the difference between what podcast looks like on video and what, like, I still don't know what to call those, YouTube series.
I learned something new from that, y'all. Cheyenne mentioned about just bringing us back to the initial vision. And I didn't really realize that there's a difference between podcast videos and I don't know what we call it, YouTube kind of.
I felt like we were, well, I don't really like talking to a camera to imaginary people. And not that y'all are imaginary, but you're not sitting in front of me right now. So I'm just talking to the camera as far as I'm concerned. Versus on the podcast, and it's just audio, we're talking to each other. So, you know, the reason that we're kind of sitting in this new way and we're gonna work this out anyway where we kind of face each other is to facilitate that more conversation style. And when you look at other podcast videos, you know, they're more so sitting in a style where they're looking at each other and having conversations. So we're meeting somewhere in the middle here.
We're figuring it out, y'all. We are figuring it out. Cause Shine, it's definitely into us talking where like me, I'm ready to like labba with Uno. Like, ooh. With y'all. They there. When we post it, they're gonna be
right, you talk to them and I'll talk to you.
No, we figured it out. So guys, we're putting out two different things at the moment. So we have our long regular
the podcast
episodes. This is how we're meeting each other halfway, right? So we have those episodes. This is what we're doing right now. And then we have our shorts, which we're trying to figure out what to call it. We need a creative name. So guys, if you have an idea on what we'll call our short shots. So we're putting out these little clips. So this is when we'll get to talk to you. So then we'll face this way, like, hey y'all, you know, kind of thing, which,
right,
you know,
and I'm sure they'll notice that I'm still this whole time mostly facing you because
you guys gonna see this transformation. You're gonna see Shine from video number 1.
Okay.
And then we're gonna look at video number like 25 and like, look at Cheyenne. I remember when she first started.
Okay.
Right. And then you're gonna see her right here in the camera like, no,
probably not.
Probably not.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. She's never,
Because I'm still not, you know, you don't even, you haven't seen you do this in a while on your Instagram where you're like in your car talking.
Someone mentioned that to me the other day.
Singing or.
Yeah, I really used to post those things in my stories when I interacted with people. Yeah. I haven't done that.
I don't do those.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this feels like that for me.
I think it changed during COVID.
You weren't doing them in COVID? I felt like you were.
I don't think I was.
Oh, was that really before?
Yeah, I don't remember doing those things during COVID anymore. So we're going to bring that back.
Yes.
Meet me on Lights on Candy in my stories.
Okay.
Okay.
So, what how did you like the editing process and working with your team?
With my team. So it's a learning process. I learned that there are really lots of little things
Yes.
to it.
Yes, there are.
Yeah, I realized that it takes work. I think that's why I never dived into doing video content, because I used to always hear as a team and individually, why don't we produce video content? I'm like, you have no idea what goes into producing video content.
I mean, before we, were introduced to this new resource, right? But before that, then it would have fell on me, and I would not have been able to, because it was a learning process in the beginning to learn the audio stuff, right? It was easy, especially when we had to learn how to do it remotely, like when we were in two different places. That was quite a lot of research that I had to do.
Yeah.
And then like figuring out equipment, and then I bought the little, and then to make it, to have the least amount of complicated equipment, that was very interesting. Because then I found out that you have USB mixers, and then we got the small one that we had, and then I was lining in the call into like my computer, and then I had a headphone that wasn't working, and it was going in and out. Like, it was a lot of things. And then editing, with the sound, I still don't know a lot of what I'm doing when I edit the sound. I just try to do the best that I can. But now it's different.
So shout out to those people that mastered that whole producing the video content, because and then I realized that after a while they had the time for it, because now it's like your full-time thing. So now you have upgraded your equipment, your camera, your laptop, so it's easier. And you can probably have someone editing it for you too.
It was not my full-time thing at all. It was like fourth on my list of things,
because I would always record stuff on my phone, okay. But then it was just like, okay, so I have to move it from my phone to the computer to like snip and cut here and there. I just didn't have the time either.
And the thing was, I didn't have the time, but I knew that I was pretty good at figuring things out. Because remember when we did that video for the Lights On Girls?
You did help me with that.
I was figuring it out that day as we were clicking through iMovie. Like, I had used it once before, but not in that extent, right? So I know that I'm like, tech savvy enough to click around and figure it out. I used to be a volunteer
on the audio visual ministry at
forgot
church.
About that.
Yes,
I was. I really did, and I do enjoy stuff like that, but I haven't really kept up with it. I don't know. I don't know how to. I wouldn't know what the first thing to do anymore with stuff like that. But with the thing was too, the mini mixer board we bought was similar to like that same style of like highs and mids and lows and the reverb and all the whatever.
So for the most part, you had a little bit of background knowledge. So you kind of
yeah. But because it wasn't the top of my list because of school. It was hard to balance that. Yeah. But I mean, we are learning, and we will continue to figure this out.
Yeah, and when I'm with the team working on the editing, I'm there trying to although I feel like I'm doing a million things at the same time while editing, but I'm try to pay attention to some of the little things, because I'm like, I may have to do this one day.
You do. You might.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
please pay attention.
Yeah, paying attention, because things happen. So we'll see.
Yeah.
But
okay.
and I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos. So just learning a couple little things.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Well, I mean, as much as I still cringe when I see it pull up on my my YouTube feed, we're moving forward. We're going forward. So
Yeah, this is me when I'm watching it. Sometimes I'm just like, why did I do that? Like at the part where we were like shorts like that, and it's like, why did you do that,
I
Candy?
thought that was funny.
Oh my god! I look at myself like, Candy, you're so corny. You know, I'm just like, oh.
Anyway, you know, if any of you are YouTube video experts or, you know, and have any suggestions for, you know, the aesthetics of things, let us know. We're open to feedback.
You know, we are.
Yeah, and some of you really need to let us know what you think about the video. Like, how are you feeling about the video content?
Oh yeah, what kind of
versus
feedback
just
did you? What
I
kind
didn't really get that many. Just about wait, what was it that I said I got? No, someone said they liked the shorter time period.
Yes, yes.
That's it. That's all I got.
That's it. Yeah, for the most part, I think I heard about the same, not with the length, but just that, you know, congrats on moving on up to something else. And yeah, you know, you guys are funny. I don't think we're funny, but they think we're funny.
Okay.
And you know, just that couple that. But I guess we'll see what other people outside of our circle say soon when they drop it in the comments.
Okay.
You know how.
Oh, is that gonna be a thing too?
That may be a thing. Are we ready?
No.
Are our backs strong enough for when people come for us in our comments?
You remember one of the first podcasts we did? You talked about that. That's something that you were worried about, but that was 4 years ago.
Yeah,
So,
I think I'm a little bit better now.
Okay, good.
I think I could handle it.
Okay.
You know.
Well, in keeping with the feedback that we did get, let's wrap this up.
Let's wrap it up. Yes. Makes sense.
Follow us on Instagram at These Two Girls.
These two girls.
We're on Twitter at These Two Girls Pod. We're on Facebook at These Two Girls. And you can subscribe our YouTube page down below.
Or
Click the thumbs up, click the subscribe, click the bell thing so that you know when we post a new video.
Because we're now working on being consistent.
Yes.
Bringing you quality videos, content. And yeah, you can follow us on our Instagram pages also.
Mine is still private at ShyBrown89.
And, well, you know, just request. She'll look and see if she wants to approve you or not. But, you know, while you're over there, come visit me, Lights on Candy, on Instagram. And we also have our TikTok, which is These Two Girls 954.
We have a TikTok.
We have a TikTok, which we'll talk more about in our upcoming shorts.
Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.